Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a costco.com online account. So first of all, you need to come here on costco.com. When you are here on the home page, you will find this type of sign in / register button. So you just have to simply click on it. Now over here, when you do this, you will be landed here on the sign in page. But since we want to create our account, you need to simply click on the option of create account. Now over here you need to simply provide your email address, then click on the option of send verification code. Now a verification code is going to be then sent on your email address, so you need to simply click on that. After doing so, you need to create a strong password for your account. So when that is done, you need to again click on the option of sign in, and then you need to provide your newly added email address and newly created password, then click on the option of sign in. You can also just check this particular box if you want to basically make your browser keep you sign in. So that's how basically you can get access to your account and the dashboard. So instead of the login and the register option, you will find this type of account option. When you click on it, you are going to see all of the features enabled for your account. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.